So the iPhone 15 cases are here, finally, and we have a lot to talk about. So I have one of each. I have the silicone in black, the new fine woven case in blue, as well as the clear case. And when you unbox them out of the box, Apple actually packages them very nicely to save shipping space by using this nice band to keep them all together and shipping it in one box. So we're going to take off this band first, and we're going to talk about the fine woven case, because this is the star of the show. So to open the box, there's actually no seal on this one. On the silicone and clear case, there is a seal, but you just have to pull it up. You just have to pull it apart, and you are presented with the fine woven case right here. So if we bring over the light, it looks pretty good in my opinion, although I haven't seen it, so let's turn it around, and it actually does look pretty good in my opinion, as it's a nice shade of blue. And let's just pull it out of the box. So in the box, we do have some paperwork, as well as instructions on how to put on the case. So we can put that all back in the box. And then here it is. It has a very velvet feel to it, which is something very different than we've had before. The back is very velvet compared to leather, as these do replace Apple's leather case. So here's the leather wallet in Pacific Blue. And compared to the Pacific Blue of the fine woven case, it does look a little darker than Pacific Blue of the iPhone 12 series, so I wonder if maybe it probably is actually darker, and trying to match the colors might not have been extremely possible. But it's a very velvet-like feel, so if you don't like that, you might not love this case. And then the sides are almost like a plastic, velvet feel. The inside is also have this velvet, along with the MagSafe ring, as we have come to know with all of Apple's accessories. And then on the side here, we do have the action button in metal, as well as the two volume buttons, and they are one continuous button, and they do seem to offer a very tactile feel, as well as the power button on the other side. But that is the fine woven case with MagSafe, as you could just attach to wallet. And it does also have color match animations when you do connect it to the iPhone 15, but we have to wait for the iPhone 15 to see that. Now for the fine woven case, it does come in 5 other colors: mulberry, evergreen, taupe, Pacific Blue, which we have here, and black. But we're going to put this off to the side for now and talk about the silicone case. So this is the black silicone case for the iPhone 15 Pro, and it does come in 8 colors: orange sorbet, cypress, winter blue, storm blue, guava, clay, light pink, and black. So we do have black here, so we're going to just take off the seal, pull it open, and then we're going to pop out the case. So it's a silicone case, so I'm honestly not expecting to be any different than any of the other Apple ones. But here it is. It has the normal silicone feel to it. It is black, and it is also lined with microfiber, unlike the fine woven case, which is lined with the same velvet fine woven twill material on the inside. But yeah, this is it. It's black, features MagSafe, so you could just take your wallet and attach it, or a MagSafe Duo, MagSafe charger. I am kind of curious, though, how this will work with the MagSafe Duo, as with the smaller phones, the camera bump has actually been getting in the way of working with MagSafe Duo. So we have my MagSafe Duo charger here, and yes, there isn't a phone in here, but let's see if it will work. Okay, so it will work, but the camera lens is actually going to be covered by the MagSafe Duo. But it does work, and it does seem to hold and attach very well, although there is no iPhone in here right now, so when their iPhone is in there, it will be stronger. But for the silicone case, we do also see that the action button is built in on the side, and it is a very flush button, as we finally have the action button now on the iPhone Pro line. And then we have the 2 volume buttons, the power button, and MagSafe as well. But we'll put off to the side the iPhone 15 Pro silicone case, and then the clear case. So personally, I am between the clear case and the fine woven case at this moment for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I am getting the white titanium color I have decided on, but I don't know what case yet. I think I might want to do the clear because it'll showcase off that white case, and I've actually had the clear case for a while, but I'm really kind of loving the fine woven case at this moment. But stay tuned for my iPhone 15 unboxing when I do get it, because I will have made my mind up by then. But this is the clear case. It's very simple. It has the white ring. It does have the enlarged camera bump, and it does also have this new curvature to it to match the iPhone 15 Pro and all the iPhone 15 series curvature, so it fits more comfortably in the hand. But your white MagSafe, all 3 buttons, and this does have the action button as well built in, although it's going to be very hard to see because it is clear, as well as the MagSafe and the power button. But overall, I think all of these are unique in their own ways. And personally, fine woven does seem to be a very great material for my short hands-on with it. Although we will have to wait and see how it does hold up over time, because it isn't like leather, and something that leather does is patina. And personally, this is actually what's kept me away from the iPhone leather cases previously. But seeing how it's a very nice like velvet feel, almost like, and like it makes a little scratchy noise when you scratch on it, I am very curious to see how this holds up. But as of right now, that's it for me, and I want you to subscribe for more, as we're going to have hands-on with the iPhone 15 in a little less than under a week now. But I want you to remember, today's a good day to make a great day. Peace.